The PEIUJIAN G44-01007C dual infinite switch offers very precise control over burner temperature, which makes everyday cooking more consistent and predictable. It is engineered to work seamlessly with a wide range of Samsung electric ranges, serving as a direct replacement for the original control module on compatible models. By addressing issues such as burners that will not heat properly, run too hot, or refuse to shut off, this switch can restore a stove to safe and dependable operation. Construction quality feels solid, with materials chosen to tolerate regular high heat and frequent use better than many generic replacement parts. Homeowners with basic repair skills can usually install this switch themselves using simple hand tools, avoiding the hassle of a full-range replacement or a service call. Overall, the PEIUJIAN DG44-01007C is a practical upgrade for aging Samsung stoves, combining reliability, accurate heat regulation, and straightforward installation.